All right, hello, AP Computer Science students. Just want to give you a quick intro of what's happening this week, April 27th to May 1st. And you can kind of see the folder here, just like previous weeks, those have a folder with all the information. One thing that's kind of different, I didn't break it up by days. I had thought this week would be 5 days long, and so I just make these four different topics because some of the days are kind of longer. But then I realized the governor, when he shut down schools, also canceled distance learning for May 1st, this Friday, and then May 4th coming back off the weekend on Monday. So I was kind of torn because I feel like we got to hit this information for the AP test. Um, so I didn't really want to back off the pace too much, even though we don't have school Friday. Know that you will have 4 days off this weekend to kind of work through some of the information. So I'm not going to change up the plan, but I'm just going to say, if you're finding that it's taking forever, do it the best you can on it, and then kind of send me an email with what happened, and I'll be pretty lenient about the grading stuff. I mean, at this point, it's really about helping you get ready for the AP test. So all of these things are super valuable, especially the first two. You've got to do these first two and have them ready for the test. Also, in this, you're going to be making a lot of files, and I would put them in Eclipse in some place where you can find them. So I made a folder or a new project in Eclipse called AP Test Prep, and then I made a separate folder for like random numbers, array lists, and arrays and strings. And then I think what would be good is when you take the AP test, there's gonna be, you can use notes and stuff, but the book, but you're only gonna have 45 minutes. So I think if you spend a decent amount of time like searching through to try and find stuff, that it's not gonna help. You need to be coding and working on that kind of stuff. So and especially for computer science, I think you just kind of got to know what you're doing, and looking stuff up isn't going to be helpful. In fact, they've said they're going to design the AP test in a way so that looking up and stuff isn't going to be all that helpful. All right, so these are kind of the notes I think would be good to have, and then you can reference them. Like some things I do think are good are like if you can't remember, say all the array list calls, right? This will have the different ones. Like here's how the add works, um, and then you'll have other ones about adding at a certain position, removing one, right? So hopefully then this will be a good set of notes for you when you take the actual AP test, right? So that's kind of the idea for this week is to do these, and then I mixed in some coding bat stuff. All right. So again, I know it's kind of a lot of information this week, but I feel like other states and stuff they're having lots of time to prepare for the test. We only got 30 minutes a day, and then the governor canceled school and stuff. So sorry that it's a lot, but please know that if that's an issue, just email me. Um, I'm not worried about the grading part of it. Just want to get you guys ready. Um, so yeah, that's it. In a lot of them, there'll be like a file you'll make in Eclipse and then some coding bats. This one looks overwhelming, but I think I said the last couple can be optional if you get, if you run out of time. Um, and they should go fast. Some of these are really, really, really quick, right? And obviously some of the days are shorter. Math.random should be the shortest day by far. That one I just did a little bit of starter code there. So that one should only take 15, 20 minutes, hopefully. Right, and then the big ones are array lists and arrays. Those are for sure the things you gotta hit and know for the AP test. The other ones too, but those two for sure I think are gonna show up. They basically guaranteed one of the free response questions is gonna be about arrays and array lists. All right, I think that's it. Email me with questions. I hope you're all doing well. We're just gonna hit the road and get ready for that test coming May 15th. One other quick announcement I guess I could make is if you want to back out of the AP test because of the new settings and everything, you can. You just got to do it by the end of this week, by May 1st. Just have, I think I put that in the direction somewhere. Just have um, your parent or guardian email me and Shane and Naker, and then you'll get your money back. All right, that is all. Have a good week.